Welcome to day 25 of Daily AI Wizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to steer the future with AI in autonomous vehicles? Today we're diving into AI's driving magic, transforming roads and safety. This 35-minute journey will blow your mind. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master vehicle AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore AI in autonomous vehicles. It's about self-driving cars, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock road secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. AI in vehicles powers navigation and safety, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo detecting obstacles. It's going to be futuristic. Stick with us for this magic.
Ethan here. AI in autonomous vehicles is a game changer, and I'm stoked to code an obstacle detection demo with Sophia. Let's make driving magic. This will inspire you. Get ready for AI's road power.
I'm Olivia, and I'm utterly fascinated by AI in autonomous vehicles. I'll explain how it works on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you. This tech is driving the future. Let's make road magic.
Let's recap Day 24's financial magic. We explored how AI transforms finance using Scikit-learn to predict stock prices with Durozodos Oro 5 MSE. We built a demo and learned applications like trading. It was wealth-building wizardry. I'm so excited for vehicle AI today. Let's drive into the future. This is our next big spell.
The stock demo was incredible, Anastasia. Seeing AI predict markets was so inspiring. I'm thrilled to explore AI's driving powers now. This is a new road adventure. Let's keep the AI fire burning.
Today, we're diving into AI in autonomous vehicles, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore AI's role in navigation and obstacle detection, tackle ethical challenges, and build a Python demo detecting obstacles. This journey will ignite your passion for self-driving tech. Let's master driving magic. Get ready for AI's road power. Isabella, why is vehicle AI exciting?
It's futuristic, Anastasia. AI driving cars is thrilling, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine roads. Let's unlock its potential.
Hi, wizards. I'm Olivia, and I'm totally fascinated by AI in autonomous vehicles. It powers self-driving tech using sensors and machine learning, enabling navigation and safety to transform transportation. This is mind-blowing road magic. From LiDAR to neural nets, it's a tech marvel. I'm thrilled to break it down. Let's uncover its driving secrets. This is the future of travel. Get ready to cruise with AI.
Why use AI in autonomous vehicles? It enhances road safety, reduces human errors, optimizes traffic flow, and enables accessible transport. It's revolutionizing travel. This is vital AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its impact. AI drives safer roads. Isabella, why road safety?
It saves lives, Anastasia. AI prevents crashes, and I love its impact. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is travel with care.
AI in navigation is game-changing. It plans optimal routes using GPS and map data like real-time routing, improving travel efficiency. It's a driving superpower. I'm excited to break it down. This is efficient AI in action. Let's navigate with precision. Isabella, why navigation AI?
It's smart, Anastasia. AI finds the best routes fast, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like a road guide. This saves time.
AI in obstacle detection saves lives. It identifies road hazards using cameras and LiDAR, like pedestrian detection, enhancing safety. This is vigilant driving magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's detect obstacles. This protects roads. Isabella, why obstacle detection?
It's critical, Anastasia. AI spotting hazards is amazing, and I'm excited. It's like a safety shield. This ensures safe travel.
AI in traffic management is smart. It optimizes flow, predicts congestion, like smart traffic signals, reducing delays. This is efficient road magic. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's manage traffic. This smooths travel. Isabella, why traffic management?
It's smooth, Anastasia. AI clears roads fast, and I'm thrilled. It's like a traffic wizard. This saves hours.
AI in vehicle control is precise. It manages steering and braking with real-time models like adaptive cruise control, ensuring accurate driving. This is technical AI magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's control vehicles. This drives perfectly. Isabella, why vehicle control?
It's accurate, Anastasia. AI drives flawlessly, and I'm excited. It's like a driving pro. This ensures precision.
AI in fleet management is efficient. It optimizes vehicle operations, predicts maintenance, like delivery logistics, enhancing efficiency. This is logistical AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's manage fleets. This streamlines transport. Isabella, why fleet management?
It's organized, Anastasia. AI keeps fleets running smoothly, and I'm thrilled. It's like a logistics guru. This saves costs.
Olivia here, and I'm fascinated by the ethics of AI in autonomous vehicles. Safety, liability, and bias in AI decisions, like crash decision ethics. Demand oversight. This is critical road magic. It's thrilling to ensure AI drives fairly. I'm excited to dive into this. Let's address these moral challenges. This keeps roads just. Let's make ethical AI.
Data privacy is vehicle AI's shield. It protects driver data with encryption and anonymization, like GDPR compliance, building trust. This is ethical driving magic. I'm so ready to discuss. Let's safeguard data. This respects drivers. Isabella, why data privacy?
It's essential, Anastasia. Safe data builds confidence, and I'm thrilled. It's like a digital lock. This ensures trust in AI.
Bias in vehicle AI is serious. It risks unequal safety outcomes like pedestrian bias, requiring diverse datasets and ethical mitigation. This ensures fair AI roads. I'm so ready to solve it. Let's tackle bias. This promotes equity. Isabella, why bias risks?
They harm safety, Anastasia. Biased AI endangers lives, and I'm excited to fix it. It's like ensuring justice. This makes AI fair.
Regulations govern vehicle AI. They ensure safety and compliance like NHTSA guidelines, building regulatory trust. This keeps AI driving magic safe. I'm thrilled to apply them. Let's regulate AI wisely. This protects roads. Isabella, why regulations?
They ensure safety, Anastasia. Regulations keep AI reliable, and I'm excited. It's like a road rulebook. This builds confidence.
AI in safety systems transforms roads. It enhances collision avoidance with real-time AI, like emergency braking, saving lives. This is protective driving magic. I'm excited to explore it. Let's boost safety. This prevents crashes. Isabella, why safety systems?
They're lifesavers, Anastasia. AI stops accidents, and I'm thrilled. It's like a road guardian. This ensures safe travel.
AI in autonomous fleets is futuristic. It manages self-driving fleets, optimizes delivery routes like robo-taxis, enhancing efficiency. This is logistical AI magic. I'm thrilled to share it. Let's manage fleets. This revolutionizes transport. Isabella, why autonomous fleets?
They're cool, Anastasia. AI-powered taxis are amazing, and I am excited. It's like a future ride. This transforms cities.
AI vehicle applications are real. Self-driving shuttles, autonomous delivery vehicles, and AI-enhanced driver assists transform roads. These are futuristic solutions. I'm so inspired by this. Let's explore real AI. This reshapes travel. Isabella, which application stands out?
Self-driving shuttles, Anastasia. AI buses are incredible, and I'm thrilled. It's like a future commute. This is so impactful.
Vehicle AI faces challenges. Sensor reliability, high costs, regulatory complexities, and public trust are obstacles. We'll tackle these for better AI roads. I'm thrilled to solve them. Let's overcome these hurdles. This advances driving. Isabella, why sensor issues?
They're tricky, Anastasia. Faulty sensors slow AI, but I'm excited for solutions. It's like fixing eyes. This boosts AI safety.
Hi, wizards, it's Sophia. Let's prep for our AI vehicle demo. Install Python and Scikit-learn with pip install Scikit-learn. Grab the vehicle_data.csv dataset, linked below, for obstacle detection. I'm so excited to detect hazards. This is going to be epic. Let's start the driving magic. Ethan, what's next?
Hey, I'm Ethan. Launch Jupyter Notebook with Jupyter Notebook to set up our coding environment. We'll detect obstacles with a machine learning model. Let's make road magic. I'm thrilled to get started. Let's code some safety. This is our driving canvas.
It's demo time. Sophia and Ethan will lead a Python demo using Scikit-learn to detect road obstacles. Get ready for driving magic. I'm so excited to see it. This will transform your view of AI. Let's watch Sophia and Ethan shine. This is autonomous vehicles' big moment.
Hey, I'm Ethan, breaking down our vehicle demo code. We load vehicle_data.csv. Use Scikit-learn's random forest classifier to train a model, detect obstacles, and visualize accuracy. This code powers our driving magic. I'm thrilled to share its details. Let's see it in action. This is AI at its safest best. Let's detect hazards.
It's Sophia here. Ethan's code sets up our obstacle detection perfectly with Scikit-learn. I'm so excited to run it. This is where driving magic begins. Let's keep roads safe with AI. This is our safety lens. Hi, I'm Sophia. We're using Scikit-learn to detect road obstacles. I train the model and visualize. Look at that accuracy. This is driving magic. I'm thrilled to show it. Let's keep roads safe. This is the future of driving.
And I'm Ethan. We load vehicle_data.csv. Train a random forest classifier for 5 iterations, and hit approximately 90% accuracy in detections. The plot shows our model's strength. I'm so thrilled to see it work. Let's advance safety. This is AI in action. Let's keep coding.
Wow, Sophia and Ethan, that was magical. They loaded vehicle sensor data, trained a random forest model with Scikit-learn, detected obstacles with 90% accuracy, and visualized performance. This shows AI's driving power. I'm so impressed. Let's break it down. This is AI saving roads. Isabella, what stood out?
The accuracy plot was incredible, Anastasia. It showed AI's safety power, and I'm thrilled by the results. This is driving AI magic. This transforms roads.
Here's tips for vehicle AI. Use robust sensor data, validate with real-world tests, ensure ethical compliance, and test for safety impact. These tips make you a vehicle AI wizard. I'm so excited for you. Let's master these tricks. This is your driving spellbook. Isabella, any tips to add?
Simulate edge cases, Anastasia. Testing rare scenarios ensures safety, and I love this approach. It's like a safety spell. This boosts AI roads.
Let's recap. Day 25. AI transforms autonomous vehicles with navigation and safety using Scikit-learn to detect obstacles with Monor's 90% accuracy. We built a demo for road safety. Your task: detect an obstacle with AI and share results in the comments. I'm so proud of you. Visit DailyAIWizard.com for more. This is your driving victory.
What a journey, Anastasia. From navigation to safety, we've unlocked driving magic. I'm thrilled for everyone's progress. Let's keep building road spells. Try the task and shine.
That's a wrap for Day 25, Amazing Wizards. I'm Anastasia, and I'm so grateful you joined me for AI in autonomous vehicles. It's been a futuristic journey. Subscribe and hit the bell for more. Day 26 explores AI in gaming, with Sophia and Ethan revealing epic AI tricks. I'm thrilled for what's next. Let's keep the AI fire burning. This is just the start.
Hey, I'm Sophia. This vehicle demo with Ethan was pure magic, detecting obstacles to keep roads safe. You're all wizards for mastering AI in autonomous vehicles, and I'm so proud of you. Day 26 dives into AI in gaming, where Ethan and I will unleash epic gaming sorcery. Can you guess how AI will level up play? Visit DailyAIWizard.com, keep detecting, and share your obstacle detection results in the comments. I'm so excited for your journey. Let's make more AI magic. See you tomorrow.
Isabella here. AI in autonomous vehicles is so thrilling, revolutionizing roads with every detection, and I'm blown away by what we've learned. Day 25 was just the start, and Day 26's AI in gaming will take us deeper into epic spells with Sophia and Ethan leading the way. What new AI secrets will we uncover? Stick with Daily AI Wizard to find out. Keep coding, stay curious, and let's make more AI magic together. I can't wait for our next adventure. Let's level up your AI skills.
Ethan here. Loved coding this vehicle demo. Scikit-learn rocks. Day 26 will amplify the magic with AI in gaming. See you soon. Keep exploring AI. Let's dive deeper.
Olivia here. I'm still fascinated by AI and autonomous vehicles. It's unreal. Day 26's AI in gaming will level up the fun. Keep mastering AI with Daily AI Wizard. Let's drive into gaming magic.